back. This is Inji Facts and today I am going to explain about the p-type semiconductor. As we discussed earlier, these semiconductors are classified into two basic types based on their purity and the doping value. First is intrinsic and second is extrinsic semiconductor. N-type is the extrinsic semiconductor. In order to form a N-type semiconductor, the basic step is to dope intrinsic semiconductor with some impurity. Here the term N refers to negative charge, that means an electron. It has greater concentration of the electrons than that of the holes. In this way, a N-type semiconductor is defined based on its electron donor capabilities. So here again, as discussed earlier in the p-type semiconductor, doping is the process to modify charge carrier concentration in organic layers. In an N-type semiconductor, we use pentavalent impurity. In this case, the impurity adds 5 valence electrons to the structure, where it can hold only 4. This means that there is now one excess electron. Because it donates an electron, a group 5 impurity is called a donor. Let's explain how the impurity atoms, that is arsenic, displays the same number of silicon atoms in the crystal and occupy their position. Now 4 valence electrons of each arsenic atom create covalent bonds with 4 neighboring silicon atoms. In this way, each arsenic atom gets valence electrons at outermost orbit, but still one electron is in the excess. See here, when these atoms are incorporated into the silicon lattice, 4 valence electrons are used to bond with the surrounding silicon atoms, leaving one valence electron free to move into the conduction band. Okay guys, the whole process looks like this. See here, one arsenic atom is pairing with 4 silicon atoms to complete its octet, but there is an electron, that is 5th valence electron is left. Okay guys, now come to this diagram. This diagram explains the conduction in N-type material. When this material is connected to an external voltage, its majority carriers, which is electron present in conduction band, tends to move towards the positive terminal of the supply, and minority carriers, that are holes present in the valence band, moves towards the negative terminal of the battery. Earlier, once the impurity is inserted into the pure semiconductor, many number of electrons are formed in the conduction band. So there are thermal excitation is also in the semiconductor. As always, majority wins, and the energy band diagram suggests that there is less number of holes in conduction band in N-type semiconductor. So the current in N-type semiconductor is due to the majority carriers in conduction band, that is electrons. Therefore, the current in the N-type is because of majority carriers in the conduction band. It is enough for today. This is the formation of N-type semiconductor. So keep watching and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further videos.